from now, going straight to proceedings in the upper house.
Today's list of business. Thank you, Chairman sir.
प्रोफेसर एसपी सिंह बघेल।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे क्रम संख्या 2 पर उल्लिखित कागज हिंदी और अंग्रेजी सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Honorable members, announcement regarding BSc. I have to inform honorable members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on 27 June 2024 has allotted time for government business as follows. Discussion on the motion of thanks on the President's address, 21 hours. Honorable members, these 21 hours have to be utilized for issues you seek to raise. It will be walking away from your constitutional obligations when you can discuss right away. Honorable members, I have to inform honorable members that the panel of vice chairpersons for this session has been reconstituted, and the details are as follows. I have continued with the practice to have 50% of our honorable women members as part of the panel. Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Ghanshyam Tiwari, Narayan Das Gupta, Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Sonal Man Singh, Medha Vishram Kulkarni, Sujit Kumar, Fozia Khan. Honorable members, Shri Sudhanshu Trivedi to move that an address be presented to the President in the following terms: that the members of the Rajya Sabha assembled in this session are deeply grateful to the President for the address which he has been pleased to deliver to both houses of Parliament assembled together on June 27, 2024.
महोदय, आज मैं इस नई लोकसभा के गठन के बाद महामहिम राष्ट्रपति महोदय द्वारा दिए गए अभिभाषण पर धन्यवाद और कृतज्ञता ज्ञापित करने के लिए खड़ा हुआ हूं। महामहिम राष्ट्रपति ने अपने अभिभाषण में जो जो बातें कही हैं, मैं प्रयास करूंगा कि क्रमवार उसका बिंदुवार कुछ बिंदुओं के बारे में अपना और पार्टी का पक्ष रखने का प्रयास करूं। राष्ट्रपति महोदया ने प्रथम 3 बिंदुओं में इस बात का उल्लेख किया कि एक नई सरकार और नई लोकसभा का गठन हुआ है, और ये इसलिए अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि ये भारत के अमृतकाल की पहली लोकसभा है।
जवाब दो।
भारत की नई संसद बनने के बाद की यह पहली लोकसभा है, और उन्होंने अपने बिंदु क्रमांक 3 में यह कहा कि ये चुनाव नीति, नियत, निष्ठा और निर्णय पर विश्वास का चुनाव था। यहां मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहूंगा कि नीति, नियत और निष्ठा हमारी पार्टी और हमारी सरकार ने वो उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किए हैं कि अपनी स्थापना 1951 से लेकर आज तक इन 73 वर्षों में हमने न अपनी कोई नीति बदली है, न निष्ठा बदली है। हमारा एक भी आइडियोलॉजिकल मुद्दा ऐसा नहीं है इन 73 वर्षों में जिसमें हमने अपना स्टैंड चेंज किया हो, और दूसरी तरफ हमारे जो विपक्षी दल हैं उनका एक भी ऐसा आइडियोलॉजिकल मुद्दा नहीं है जिस पे उन्होंने स्टैंड चेंज न किया हो। इसलिए मैं कंटिन्यू कर सकता हूं। इसलिए
Honorable members, Those of the members who are present in the well, I will be constrained to name the members. I will be constrained to name the members who are present here. Sagarika Ghosh. Is this, have you come to this house, Sagarika Ghosh, for this purpose? Nothing will go on record, nothing will. Saket, you are virtually becoming a nuisance to yourself. You are virtually becoming a nuisance to yourself. And Mr. Derek O'Brien, you are becoming a director. You are becoming a director. The House will meet at 12 noon today.
Rajya Sabha adjourned as well after ruckus in the House where slogans were being raised by the Trinamool Congress, and the House has been adjourned. Both houses of Parliament adjourned amid the ruckus that we have seen. Mosmi continues to be with us. Mosmi, but expected the opposition in a collective voice raising slogans against the government, demanding that no other business, nothing at all, unless there is a discussion on NEET.
Absolutely, Sneha, there was mayhem in the upper house as well. Several members have entered the well, and the chair said that I will be forced to name the members who have entered the well. Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP had started the vote of thanks on the President's address. He had just merely said a few lines when the mayhem and the ruckus just increased manifold, and the chair had to interrupt and tell the members who had entered the well that I will be forced to name you. And he named three Trinamool Congress members, Sagarika Ghosh, Saket Gokhale and Derek O'Brien, saying Derek was trying to become the director, and he also told Saket that he was becoming a nuisance, and nothing will go on record is what the chair said, the sloganeering and the demands. So clearly this is a stormy day both in the lower house and the upper house. As a joint strategy, we are seeing that the opposition is weighing quite heavy. This issue has united the India bloc as well as other opposition parties who seem to be agreeing in tandem to demand for a discussion, and unless there is some back channel talks, it is unlikely that there will be a thaw in the stand that's been taken on either sides.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Mosmi Singh, for getting us those details. That report will, of course, keep coming back to you. Another